In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ChatGPT traffic in Google Analytics. If you've ever wondered how many visitors are landing on your site from ChatGPT, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look inside Google Analytics and how to isolate that traffic with just a couple of quick adjustments. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can replicate it in seconds. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and signing into the property for the website you want to analyze. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This takes you into the main reporting area where Google groups together the most useful, ready-made reports. Next, select Generate Leads. This collection centers on reports that help you understand how people arrive and take action on your site. Within that collection, click Traffic Acquisition. This report is where you'll see how visitors are getting to your site by default, such as from search engines, social platforms, or referrals. The charts and numbers on this page reflect the date range currently set at the top, so remember that a shorter window may show fewer visits, while a broader range will reveal longer-term patterns. Now scroll down to the data table below the chart. At the top of the first column, open the dimension drop-down and change it to Session Source. Switching to Session Source tells Analytics to group your traffic by the exact origin that started each session, making it much easier to pinpoint visits that came from a specific place. With the table now showing sources, go to the search bar just above it, type ChatGPT and press Enter. The search isn't case-sensitive, so lowercase is perfectly fine. This filters the table to rows that match your query and quickly surfaces any sessions that Analytics has attributed to ChatGPT. When the filter is applied, you'll see traffic entries from ChatGPT if they exist for the selected period. Review the row to understand performance at a glance. You'll typically see metrics like users, sessions, engaged sessions, average engagement time, and conversions if you've set them up. These numbers help you evaluate not only how much traffic came from ChatGPT, but also how valuable that traffic is in terms of engagement and outcomes. That's the full process. Reports, generate leads, traffic acquisition, switch the dimension to Session Source, then search for ChatGPT. If nothing appears, it usually means there wasn't any ChatGPT referred traffic in the current date range, or that visits were attributed differently. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your ChatGPT traffic in Google Analytics.